Have you ever stopped to marvel at the technology that brings moving pictures and sound right into your living room? Today, we take crystal clear screens and instant entertainment for granted. But imagine a time not so long ago, when seeing a live broadcast in your own home felt like pure magic. In the 1950s, early television sets were primarily built through a remarkably labor-intensive assembly process, meticulously combining hundreds of discrete electronic components into large, often handcrafted wooden cabinets. They were complex marvels of their era. The absolute heart of these early televisions was the cathode ray tube, often called a CRT. This large, conical vacuum tube was solely responsible for creating the visible image you watched. Surrounding this central display were dozens of smaller vacuum tubes, sometimes referred to as valves, each performing a vital and specific function. These functions included amplifying the broadcast signals, tuning into different channels, and processing the audio and video information separately. Along with these delicate tubes, countless resistors, capacitors, and transformers were all individually hand-wired onto a robust metal chassis. This intricate network formed the complex circuits that made the television work. This entire manufacturing period significantly predated the widespread use of integrated circuits, meaning every single electrical component had to be individually placed, connected, and soldered by hand. It was a true art form. The television receiver operated on a fascinating principle, converting invisible broadcast radio waves into a visible picture and audible sound. First, an outdoor antenna captured the incoming radio frequency signal from the air. This signal was then fed into the set's tuner, allowing you to select your desired channel. From there, the chosen signal passed through several critical stages of amplification and demodulation. This process effectively separated the complex broadcast into its distinct video and audio components. The refined video signal was then precisely directed to the electron gun inside the cathode ray tube, while the audio signal was routed to the loudspeaker. All these intricate steps, from signal capture to display, were expertly managed by that impressive array of vacuum tubes. The actual manufacturing process for these early televisions was a fascinating blend of precision electronics and skilled cabinetry. It was truly akin to building fine furniture combined with a highly detailed electronics assembly line. Skilled workers, often using soldering irons, small wrenches, and other hand tools, painstakingly mounted each individual component onto a pre-stamped metal chassis. Wires were cut to exact lengths, stripped, and then carefully soldered in place according to elaborate wiring diagrams and schematics. This required immense focus and dexterity. Once the electronic chassis was fully assembled and had undergone initial testing to ensure functionality, it was then carefully installed into the beautifully designed wooden cabinet. These cabinets were masterpieces in themselves, often built by furniture craftsmen. Final quality control involved rigorous testing at various stages, ensuring each television set delivered a consistently clear picture and sound before it was deemed ready to leave the factory and enter someone's home. What makes these early television sets truly special and fascinating today is their sheer physical presence and the incredible human ingenuity required to create them. Many of these sets were designed as prominent pieces of furniture, often featuring ornate, elegant cabinets made from rich woods like mahogany, walnut, or even blonde maple, specifically intended to blend seamlessly into a stylish mid-century living room decor. Unlike the incredibly lightweight, wafer-thin screens we have today, these televisions were extraordinarily heavy. Some console models could easily weigh over 100 pounds due to their massive components and solid wood construction. A typical 1950s television might contain anywhere from 20 to 30 vacuum tubes, each of which generated a significant amount of heat and required careful placement for both performance and cooling. The picture tubes themselves, while small by modern standards, typically ranging from a compact 10 inches to a larger 21 inches diagonally, were still considerable in depth and bulk. This hands-on, component-heavy approach to construction relying on individual parts and highly skilled manual labor, meant that each early television was much more than just an electronic device. It was a powerful testament to mid-century engineering, meticulous design, and the evolving spirit of innovation. These sets transformed the way families spent their evenings together, ushering in a brand new world of entertainment and shared experiences, truly a remarkable achievement for their groundbreaking time.